Okay, on the count of three,
Okay.
name your favorite horror movie. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I hate horror movies.
What? Did you just what?
I said The Shining.
No,
What did you say? Yeah, I said The Shining. Yeah.
No.
What did you say?
You know what? Actually, you need to leave. I think we're done.
Don't be so
Check.
superficial, okay? We get along. We like each other.
You do.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like this is you, and this is.
Close, you ignore the music on the radio. I sing along. I don't ask for you to change. Living on and on, and you don't ask for me to change. Tell me how we're not alike, but we work so well, and we don't even know why. Funny how the stars cross right, cause we work so well, and we